A baseball is pitched with a speed of 35 meters per second. If the baseball has a mass of 0.146 kilograms, what is its kinetic energy? Kinetic energy equals 1/2 mv squared. Now I'm going to plug into my formula. The mass is 0.146 kilograms. And the velocity is 35 meters per second. And when I enter this into the calculator, I want to be sure that I enter the 35 and square it. And 35 squared is 1,225 meters squared per second squared. So I'm going to multiply that by 0.146 times 0.5, and I get 89.4 joules.